Welcome to part 2 of our series on how to hide a trail camera for your home security. If you've not seen part 1, check the video description as that's where we began the discussion. Let's get right into it. How do you find the best hidden locations on your property? The best locations for your trail camera on your property may not readily come to mind the first time. This is probably because of how obscure and hidden they are. This, however, is what gives those blind spots an advantage as a choice location for your trail camera. The trail camera can be placed on the property itself. This could be at any blind corner at the top of the property. Some points of intersection between the roofing and ceiling could be ideal to protect the camera from the elements. You can place your trail camera at the overhang or projection at the lower edge of your house roof or beneath the roof ceiling. The trail camera is almost invisible at these locations, more so when they are the camouflaged models. Another common location for the trail camera is on the garage top or inside it. Like we've said in part 1 of this video, most intruders would attempt to gain entrance to the home through the garage. The camera would spot the intruder while attempting to come in if it's placed outside the garage. If it is placed inside the garage, it would pick such an intruder as soon as he gains entrance to the garage. You may take advantage of the low grass vegetation in your compound. Just place your trail camera on a portion of the vegetation that is high enough to conceal the camera. You may conceal it further by introducing some decorative flowers or stuff to effectively distract attention. The whole idea of placing the camera on the ground might look like a weird idea, but be sure it will ultimately work. It brings with it an element of real surprise. No one would expect a trail camera at such a location. Make sure the location is such that gives you a good view of the entire property or the portion you intend covering. Placing your camera at such location means you need to attend to it regularly, so the grass doesn't overgrow it. Trees on your property or ones close to it are also a good hidden spots for your trail camera. Because trail cameras were traditionally made for the forests, fields, and jungles, it suits them for the tree. The camera is tied onto a tree trunk or securely placed within any cavity between the tree trunk and its branches. The tree location is best for trail cameras which come in camouflaged colors and designs and are equally wireless. The light post near your house can be another suitable location for your trail cam. Though such a light post is usually not hidden, the trail camera on it might not be obvious since it is outside your property. You get the advantage of monitoring both your property and the other ones near you. Alternatively, you may take advantage of the outdoor lights on the driveway to your home as the perfect location to hide your trail camera. Since the lights are already on the driveway facing your home, it becomes easy to attach the trail camera to it without raising suspicion. Getting the right location for your trail cameras for your home may not be an instant or one-off operation. As you continue to do adjustment of locations, however, you will get the ideal spots for your cameras. With your trail cameras well placed, you can be rest assured of optimum performance by your security camera. Take advantage of available technological innovations. It doesn't really matter that you are not up to date with technological advancements in security devices including the security camera. The fact is that security cameras are of so many models that you may need professional input to get one ideal for your home. For instance, if you are always on the phone, you may opt for a trail camera that would always send you footage of events live on your phone. Such a camera can also have provision for memory cards to enable you to save your recordings to be viewed later. The camouflaged exterior of most trail cameras is another technological input that has aided in hiding the trail camera more conveniently. These camouflages come in both the color, shape and general design of the camera. Moreover, some trail cameras have the ability to take videos at night while others cannot. Some trail cameras record videos continuously while some do so at intervals. It is these variations in operation that gives you the option of determining what camera suits your purpose. The more portable your trail camera is, the easier it becomes to properly hide it both inside and outside of your property. If the trail camera is wireless, you have saved yourself a lot of inconvenience regarding wiring. A wireless camera will equally give you the freedom to place your camera at any location without limitations. Wireless trail cameras are usually powered either by mini battery set or batteries. They should, therefore, be placed where you can easily exercise full control in terms of managing them. Tips on how to find the best trail camera for your home security. Here are some useful tips to make it easy for you to find the best security trail camera for your home security. Detecting the range of the trail camera. Trail cameras have different ranges they can detect. It's important to use a trail camera that has a wide reach where the property is large and spacious. This will enable the camera to take video images that are clear. Picture quality. Trail cameras that are wireless usually produce better quality video images than the traditional CCTV devices. The CCTV cameras usually produce images that are gritty or coarse, which is much more inferior to that of the less expensive trail cameras. Trail cameras with a resolution of 8 MP would be ideal for the security of your home. Reaction speed. The reaction rate of the trail camera on the detection of any form of motion is very important. The camera should be able to trigger immediately an intruder invades your home. The clarity of the video recording when a burglar is on the run is an indicator of the reaction rate of the security camera. Strong network connection. Wireless trail cameras need a Wi-Fi connection to function effectively. The trail camera also needs to be installed within the area where there is strong Wi-Fi network connectivity. Without this network connection, the trail camera will be unable to capture good image-video recordings. For a trail camera connected by cellular, it is important that the connection signals are sufficiently adequate. This is for the proper transmission of clear video images from the camera to your cellular device. Check the trail camera's battery life. The lifespan of the battery of some security cameras does impact their connectivity or signal strength directly. Trail cameras with batteries that have a long lifespan as well as power-saving functions are preferred. This is because they are proven to have strong connection signals even when the battery level is low. Proper placement of your security trail camera can help you prolong the lifespan of your battery and equally receive good connection signals. There is also another added advantage of installing your trail camera close to your home. That advantage is that the source of power will be closed and your camera is always sure of power backup. To wrap it all up, we have been able to see the details of how you can hide a trail camera for the security of your home. Just take note of the information we have shared in this video and also check out our video on how to choose a security system for your home. This would ensure that you will have a secure home. The trail camera is a readily available and affordable security system for your home and will serve your security need if properly deployed. Remember that your acquiring a home security device is only a first step in ensuring the security of your home. The ability to place it properly in your home is key. With what we have examined so far, it is clear that the purpose of installing a security trail camera is that it remains undetected while securing you. It is our hope that you have been equipped with relevant information on the subject and you can beat your chest that you are now more informed than when we began this discourse. If this is the case, we can only say it's been our pleasure contributing to your knowledge on home security. In the video description below we have left you with more information on how to purchase any of the devices we have reviewed from Amazon. As you may know, getting genuine devices is an important factor to consider when carrying out your home security project. Kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon. That way you're the first to know once we post a new video. On our website, www.zimhomesecurity.com, we have more home security content like this. Be sure to visit.